to go over what I did today and give you a little bit of a update of what I'm doing and what I'm going to do in the next videos, which is hopefully finish the whole thing. So I kind of want to just throw this video out, just spot weld a couple of all the pieces that I had left and just be done with it. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. So as you can see, we did this piece right here, which is pretty hard to do. It has this bend. Hopefully it matches with the rest of it. It has a very, like, you know, big indentation here. I think like it's too much of a bend. It's perfect, but it looks too obvious, where here it's kind of like a smooth. So maybe with Bondo I can fix that, right? Kind of have to. And this was probably the hardest piece of the night, which is trying to make this thin piece to fit here, but for some reason it had a curve and it just wasn't working. Eventually I got it to kind of work. Hopefully there's not much of a step here. Looks like there will be, but hopefully I can fix it. These were already set up and grinded out. I pre-grinded all these to fit perfectly. Even that one, all these pieces, but those two I had to really work on to get them to fit perfectly. These slid on perfect. This one looks like it's going to be a good little section here. As you can see, I'm probably going to have to do some good welds here, like thick welds, to kind of do that same little drop right here, smooth drop, which I'm going to have to do right here and kind of continue it as I go here. And here not so much, this is already flat, so this is just a flat piece. This kind of has like it goes and then a drop. So of course I think when I welded all this together, there were some areas that were like this a little bit, some areas that were like that. So I mean, not much I can do there, but for the most part it's coming out pretty good, I think. Let's see if we can just look at it as a whole. What do you guys think? As a whole, you kind of like, okay, like I can see it, you know? So I like the progress. Now it's pretty much just finishing all this up and just welding everything all together. And after that, we'll kind of see what else we have to do. I know I have to do all these holes, big ass holes over there. Look at that, just all these things I have to kind of spot weld. I'm far away from done, but getting closer. I think these are the biggest and obvious things that I have to get done. Besides that, everything else is whatever. I can probably get it done pretty quick. I'm pretty much going to be doing it. These holes, this is what I did here. This is what I did. I just put them in, and it's kind of hard. I should grind a little area out to kind of put the clamp to get a good ground. I kind of have the ground just like that right now, and I'll make a better ground. That's why some of these welds are just not coming out as great, especially when I'm not cleaning any of this metal up. This is all dirty metal. Probably one vibration, it's all gonna break apart. But I mean, this is just test. This is a small project that I wanted to do. But yeah, guys, please stick around for the next videos. Hopefully we get it done on the next one, and maybe on the video after that it'll be completely done as far as all this stuff. But as far as this, I consider it done, pretty close to just completely done. So hopefully we do that in the next video. Please like and subscribe for the rest of these videos. Thank you, guys.